Do you ever wonder why some local businesses show up first when you search for plumbers near me or roofers near me? Well, in this video, we're about to uncover exactly how those businesses dominate the top results on Google, and more importantly, how you can do the same. Now, when we go to Google Keyword Planner, over 14,000 people are searching for plumber near me every month in London alone. But here's the catch. Only a few businesses consistently get found, while others stay hidden. So what's the secret? Well, watch this video till the end because we're diving deep into the strategies that get your business on the map. Literally, if you've ever wondered, how do I make sure my business is the one people find first in their area, which let's be honest, you probably have, I'll show you exactly how to do it in this video. Now, if you're new here, hello, I'm Kurt from One Base Media, and for over a decade, we've been helping local businesses like yours get more leads, more customers, and ultimately make more money. Our videos reveal tips for local businesses to boost their online presence and also help agencies and freelancers streamline their operations to get some amazing results for their clients. So if you find our content useful, remember to like it and don't forget to subscribe so that you never miss a video. Now, the first thing you're going to do is make sure that all of your directory citations are done correctly. A big mistake people make is using a directory submission provider that submits to hundreds of directories all at once. The problem with this is that you get a low indexation rate. And what I mean by that is when you submit your details through automated softwares that blast your details out to tons of directories, like Yelp for example, you get low quality results. Now, to find quality directories, just Google local business directories and all of these directories will show up. So you'll get Yelp, you'll get Yellow Pages, Thompson Local, 118 Business Directory, and more. These directories are really important for getting found in local searches, so make sure you're listed in all of these directories. However, if you just blast them out of the same information, especially your business description, to hundreds of directories at once, what tends to happen is Google won't index a lot of those directories. And if they're not indexed, they're not going to show up in search engines, which defeats the purpose. For instance, if you Google Pimlico Plumbers and scroll down, you'll see they're listed on this review site. Now, this site has been indexed by Google, which means it's actually appearing in search engine results. Once a directory or review website is indexed, it pushes authority through to your website. That's why it's crucial to make sure as many of your directories are indexed as possible. To help you with directory submissions, I'm going to share this spreadsheet in the description of this video, and you can use that to keep track of everything. It won't cost you anything, I'm just doing it out of the goodness of my heart. It's the kind of guy I am. Just put all your details over here, like opening hours, website link, areas you cover, social media links, etc. Just fill in every single section. Go mad. In the second tab of the spreadsheet, we've compiled a list of over 200 business directories. As you submit to each directory, you'll fill in the date of the submission, put in the link once it's live, then put the status of the directory, whether it's live, pending, deleted, and so on. Also put in the email address, your password, and username. Here's a pro tip. Use a different Gmail account for directory submissions because the account you use is going to get spammed by the directories. Now, here's the key part. Most of your competitors won't do this, but you should. Create a different business description for every single directory. Now, if you don't want to do this the old-fashioned way, you can use ChatGPT and you can enter this prompt. Write me a business description for this company. Then copy and paste your business details from the spreadsheet that you filled earlier. Now, once ChatGPT generates a description, put in this prompt. Spin this 50 times. At first, ChatGPT will give you 10 new variations. Use these variations for all your directory submissions. Each directory should have a unique description. Yes, it's a lot of upfront manual work, but you can hire a freelancer from Upwork or Fiverr to handle this for you. They can take care of spinning the descriptions and submitting them for you. This is a solid method for getting a much higher indexation rate, which will give your website a stronger chance of ranking. Just make sure you're using British English if you're based in the UK. So for example, words like specializes should be spelled with an S instead of a Z, but you knew that anyway. Manually submitting these will definitely take time, but it can boost your indexation rate by as much as 50%, so it's absolutely worth the effort. Now, the next thing you're going to do is make sure you have all your contact details in order. One of the key factors for getting found for near me searches is ensuring that your contact information is not only on your website, but also in the footer and on your contact page. So in the footer, you'll want to include your company name, address, phone number, and business hours. These details should be exactly the same as what's on your Google business profile. Consistency is key here. So make sure that your company name is congruent with what's listed on Google Business. The same goes for your address, phone number, and business hours. Make sure they're all the same, both on the contact page and in the footer of your site. The next thing you'll want to do is to optimize your Google business profile for near me searches. For example, if we Google roofers near me, you want your business to show up here in the map pack. For that, you'll need to fully optimize your Google business profile. You can see businesses that are based locally are showing up first because their profiles are fully optimized and they're the best reviewed in the area. This combination will boost your chances of getting found for those near me searches. Next, you want to make sure you have local schema markup on your website. Now, if we Google Plumbers London and click through to one of the top ranking pages, then check their source code, we can see they have local schema on their website. What schema does is it helps Google better understand where your business is located. It's essentially a piece of code you put on the page, and you can get a developer to do this for you. Even if you search plumbers near me and look at the directories like Checkatrade, you'll see schema in their source code as well. So adding local schema to your site is key to showing up for terms like near me. Now, there are two ways to do this. First, you can go to Google and search for Google Local Schema Builder. This tool helps you build structured data step by step. You'll select that you're a local business, input your website address, and answer questions like your opening hours, phone number, and address. It then generates the local schema structured data for you. The second option is to use ChatGPT. Put in this prompt: write me local schema for this company, and then copy and paste your business details like we did earlier, and it will create the schema for you. Once you have the code, simply pass it to your developer and have them add it to your website. This will help you get found for local keywords and near me searches. And there you go. Thanks for watching until the end. I hope you got a lot out of the video. So our goal here is to help you generate the best quality leads so you can fill out your diary with more customers and grow your business. And that's it from me. And by the way, if lead generation is a problem for you right now, then there's a link in the description that will help you solve that problem in just under 3 minutes. I want to say a big thank you again for watching this video. If you want to see more like this, please like and subscribe, and also leave a comment in the comment section. We read and respond to every single comment we get. Have a great day. I'll see you on the next one.